What would you say if in a few minutes I taught you a home recipe that will boost your immunity, help cleanse your lungs, and clear up phlegm and cough? That's a lot of benefits in a few minutes. You won't regret staying until the end. You won't miss a thing. It is very simple, folks. Let's first use one purple onion. Let's cut it into small pieces. Just hit the like button and share this indispensable recipe with your friends and family. This way Facebook understands that you like our videos, and will continue to give you all of them. Add this onion to a container. Already on the fire we will add 300 milliliters of water. We will add 1 clove of garlic also chopped. After that you will put it together and bring it to the fire in a frying pan. We are going to cook to release all the substance that these two ingredients have. Then, just let it boil for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let me know in the comments where you are watching this video from. Comment there because then I can thank you. My name is Joyce and this video is coming straight from Paraíba. After boiling, you will notice that the water turns a little pink. After this process, you will strain the tea. And then add the juice of 1 lemon to the tea. You will see that the color will become bad after the lemon reacts with the onion and garlic liquid. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of honey. With all these ingredients together you will treat your entire respiratory system. It cleanses your lungs, gets rid of secretions, and will also relieve rhinitis, sinusitis, asthma, and bronchitis. Take 100 milliliters per day at any time you like. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about our videos. I'm curious. A kiss and see you in the next video.